Shweta Panjani joined STAD Solution for manual and automation software testing training. After training, she got placed at Mobile Automation as a software tester. Let's hear from her.
I would like to say something about STAD Solutions. So I took manual plus automation testing training course from here. And during the training period, I learned about in-depth knowledge of software testing and many other new things as well. And I would like to thank Bhagyashri ma'am, our HR ma'am and Kashyapi ma'am for their help and support. And during my training period, I got a placement in one organization as well. So I would recommend this to everyone who ever wants to get the knowledge about software testing and training. And thank you so much once again, STAD Solution, for your help and support. It will really give me a boost to me and my career. And because of that, today I'm feeling confident. Thank you.